Hello, welcome. My name is Amar Srivastav. People also know me as SocialAmar on Instagram. I basically have a personal brand on Instagram with 14.2k followers. Here it is. And link is also in the description. And I basically teach Canva design and help people to design beautiful creatives for their social. Now today I'll be teaching you how to design seamless carousel for Instagram on Canva without paying a single penny. Yeah, that's it. That's right. Without using Canva Pro, we'll be designing seamless carousel on Canva free. Let's do it. Okay, so since we are not using Canva Pro, we don't have an option to resize our page basically. So we have to use the default size, which is 1080 by 1080. Since I have the Pro account, I have this option to resize it, but since we are using the free one, so I'll not resize. Now for the carousel, you basically can create up to 10 slides on Instagram, but for now I'll explain you with the 2 slides, and then after that you can proceed with it. Now since I already have this image right here, one thing more, you can't remove the background of the images, so you simply have to go to photos and type any random search name or anything you want to search, and after in front of that write PNG, so you'll find the PNG images or without images without background. Also you can use remove.bg as a tool to remove the background, right? So we have our image right here. We'll simply paste it like this, stretch it up. Since we want this image in our both the slides, that is our first slide and the second slide as well, so we'll simply put it right here and we'll press right click and copy this like this. Scroll down, paste it in the second slide. Now we need to crop it till the edge of the page, right? And press shift and drag it. Drag it till the left edge of the page. Like this. Now what happened is this image and this image is somewhat combined together, and when we'll download this and upload it on Instagram, both the pages will look like a seamless carousel. So basically this image will slide into the picture, right? And for the text you can simply write anything here. Text box. For the text box we can simply use the shortcut T to the text box. That's it, pretty much that. Okay, so basically this is our first slide, this is our second. Now when we will download the images and upload it on Instagram, it will look like a seamless carousel which is moving from first slide to the second slide. So basically it will somewhat look like this, right? This was my first video, so I might be a bit boring or something. Do give me a feedback, do give me a suggestion on how I can improve the videos, on what content you want from me to, for you. And yeah, do check out my Instagram. My Instagram handle is @socialamar. The link will be in the description. And yeah, do try this tutorial and let me know. DM me on Instagram. Okay, like, share, subscribe. Yeah, cheers guys. Thank you so much.